called PD-1. And basically, what this is showing is that a naive TCR, THC plus peptide, TCR, co-stimulatory signal, CD28, cytokines are being made. This naive an activated effector cell, in this case we can call it a cytotoxic T cell, CD8 positive, and if everything is okay, you clear the infection, and now you become a memory T cell. An important concept to think about is that the immune system is designed to fight short, focused wars. Because the classic infection, think about it. You get infected, you're sick for a couple of days, maybe a week, but then your immune system kicks in, you eliminate the infectious agent, and you get all better. That's what our immune system is designed to do. Our immune system is not designed to fight a chronic war. Why do you think our immune system isn't designed to fight a chronic war? Because what's the most common antigen we're going to see day in and day out? Self-antigen. So there's an inbuilt fear that if we're responding immunologically to something for a long period of time, maybe it's self. So therefore, we should turn off that immune response. So whenever an immune response goes for too long, we have this kind of built-in process wherein we downregulate our immune response. Well, what happens if we can't clear the infection? Then what we do is we basically call off our immune system too early before we've eradicated the infection. And now we have a chronic infection. The mechanism by which we turn off the immune system during chronic infection is by expressing this molecule called PD-1. When it interacts with PD ligand expressed by an antigen-presenting cell, macrophage or dendritic cell, it sends a signal to this T cell, which is called exhausted T cell, saying no longer be fully armed with all of the appropriate cytotoxic molecules that you need to be effective. Now it's time for you basically to hang up your perforin and basically go home. However, there's still infection going on, and that's why you can't clear the infection. So in fact, this observation has led to the postulate that maybe if we blockaded PD-1, PD-L1 interaction with either antibodies against PD-L or antibodies against PD-1, maybe now we could turn off this negative signal and resurrect and reinvigorate these T cells to now allow them to get back to killing HIV-infected cells. And correlate